Hello guys, this is Dame to Beauty. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So this is the process of the makeup. I've already drawn the brow already. So I just like to just draw brow before applying the foundation. So I apply the foundation on the face. I make sure I type into the foundation, make sure the foundation is more blend well. So I decided to just make sure the foundation is blend on the brow because I don't want those whitening things to show. So I decided to put the contour on the cheeks. So I also put the highlighting, which is the concealer. I make the highlighting on the cheek, on the place where you're supposed to highlight. So I blend it. I also blend the other side too. Also blend. I make sure it's blend well. So I also apply the cheeks, the contour nose, which is the contour nose. So I decide to apply the contour nose. So I use dark shade, something that is darker than a shade. So I also use something that is light also on the nose part. So I decide to put the powder on it where it's supposed to be with the lighting part. So I also put the contour on the cheeks where it's darker than the shade, make it more beautiful. I also put the contour on the nose, also the contour on the nose to make it dark. I also put the baking powder on the highlighting part. After that, I make sure I light the side where it's supposed to highlight. So I also put the eyeshadow. I use the yellow color and the wine color. It looks somehow like red. It's not actually red, it's wine color. And after that, these are the outcome of the makeup. See how the makeup is look beautiful on her face. And please, if you want to watch more of this makeup, please turn up to subscribe to my YouTube channel to get more videos about more makeup tutorials. Please don't forget to turn up to my YouTube channel. Thank you.